Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 9 of 2014 NEET physics paper. A solid cylinder of mass 50 kg and radius 0.5 meter. Cylinder of mass 50 kg and radius this. So there is a cylinder and the mass is 50, radius is 0.5. It's free to rotate about a horizontal axis. Suppose this is the axis. I will suppose that this is the axis. This is the horizontal axis about which this cylinder will rotate. Okay, like that. A massless string is wound round the cylinder. Is wound round the cylinder with one end attached to it and other hanging freely. So there is one end is fixed to this, and so many turns and goes down. This is hanging freely. The other end of the string is hanging freely. Tension in the string required. So how much tension is required? So I'll pull it. So there will be tension in the string. How much tension in the string? So this is the tension here. How much tension in the string is required to produce an acceleration of angular acceleration of 2 revolution per second square. So the alpha that is given is 2 revolutions per second square. It should be 2 radian per second square. It should be 2 radian per second square. It's not be 2 revolutions per second square. Anyway, it's 2 radian per second square. Okay. Now this is R, and this tension is a force which multiplication with this, it creates a torque, and the torque here is TR, and the torque is also I alpha. This application of tension, when you apply a tension, it creates a torque. T times R. R is the radius of the cylinder because it has to rotate about this point, and that is equals to I alpha. And what is I? I is the moment of inertia of the solid cylinder. This is solid. If it is solid cylinder, about this axis it is half m square. So I'll write half of m r square. That is for solid cylinder, and alpha. So this is these are the two equations. Both the torques are the same. So TR must be half mr square alpha. So from here, the tension that is required is given by 1 r will cancel out, mr alpha over 2. So if I substitute those values, T becomes mr alpha over 2, mr alpha by 2. Here we will substitute the values. The alpha is 2 revolutions per second square, and it should be expressed in radian per second square. You have to multiply 2 pi. Okay, because in 1 revolution it completes 2 pi radian. In 2 revolutions it completes 2 times 2 pi, that is 4 pi radian per second square. So that you have to substitute while putting these values here. M is 50 kilogram into R is 0.5, that is half, into alpha is 2 times 2 pi divided by 2. This 2 will cancel out. This is 25. This is 25. 2s are 50. Again, it is same thing. So it is 50 into pi, that is 50 into 3.14. So I will 3.147 multiply 2 and divide 2. That will be better. If I do that way, multiply 2 divide 2, this will be 100 pi divided by 2. So this is 314 divided by 2. 314. So it is 2 1 is 2, 3 1 11, 2 5 is 11, 2 5 is 10, 1 is left, 10 7. So this comes out to be 157 Newton. So option number 4 is the correct one, 157 Newton. So the only thing is that you have to convert this 2 revolution per second square to radian per second square by multiplying 2 pi. Okay, thank you.